Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Uncle Casey's channel. It hasn't been 6 years, it's been about 3 months, and I have another Star Wars Galaxy box unboxing review. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And if you liked the video and liked the review, go ahead and hit that little like button. That goes a long way. Make a comment or two. I love my haters, so everybody has the right to hate. So do that. Let's. I've got my old trusty knife out. I've marked out the my address on this. That's the only thing I've done to it, and I just did that before I went on camera. Star Wars, my mom got me into Star Wars when I was a little kid, and I liked it ever since. So I decided to get this subscription box going. This was kind of hard for me to do. The last box I did was, well, with my mom. She was there when we went through the last one, and of course she passed back in the 1st of September of this year. So this is kind of hard for me to do. I had some reservations about doing this or not, and well, last thing she told me was to keep doing my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this box. Heck, let's just open it up like this and go like this. I like having the element of surprise. Let's see. We've got a little pencil holder, I guess what this is. Yeah, it's a pencil pouch. This is the cheat sheet. Okay, you got a little notepad with a pencil. A lightsaber keychain. That's kind of cool, but that's a $2 item at the Five Below. I dropped the notepad in the floor. Notepad. All of this stuff we've pulled so far. $1 at the Five Below. Cool little pen. Put on your hat or whatnot. The Resistance. I guess that's the theme of this time around is Resistance. Okay. Little messenger bag. Indiana Jones type satchel, but it's not leather. It's you know, that would make, if you're traveling, and I plan on doing some traveling this summer, that would make a pretty good carry-on bag to just put some, like, your phone and passport in. Yeah, that's a pretty cool bag. And then, of course, looks like a windbreaker. Okay, that's what it is. It's a Ahsoka katana windbreaker. I don't really like I thought it was brown, but it's a teal. So you can see, I'll get out, I'll pan out on it a little bit. You can see some of my baseball cards on my table there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, let's check out the back. Ahsoka Tano with the Resistance or the Rebel. I guess that's the Rebel logo. So, well, that's pretty much it. Now, what I think about it, I think the jacket is okay. That's about a $15-$20 jacket. The little bag, 10 minutes, or a $10 bag. I don't know why I said minutes. But anyway, it's element of surprise. That's what you're kind of getting here. So, am I going to resubscribe? Probably not. I have one more. I have one more box coming. It's going to be here in 3 months, around January, I believe. So, be looking for that one. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see ya.